Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Was It Love joined the slew of Korean rom-coms on Netflix which relives a number of acquainted elements. Dreamy music, more than one comedian, one-liners and a girl pursued by a way of means of numerous men. However, Was It Love shakes matters up a bit. Here the problem of love is new career-oriented 30-something mom. Jong, the woman protagonist, is not always trying to find love. She is sufficient to appearance for herself. Yes, the storyline is a tad complex and that is what unites the collection with other counterparts. Whether Jong unearths love or now no longer is in response with inside the season 1 finale dropped in September 2020. And this has left us questioning if the K-drama will have any other season. Let us get started. Was It Love Season 1 premiered on July 8, 2020 on Netflix globally and JTBC South Korea. It wrapped up with 16 episodes on September 2nd of 2020 and as of now each of the systems has no longer launched any replacement as the destiny of the romantic comedy collection. While the display opened to mild success, its scores preserved to drop with every new episode. And in phrases of content, the story wraps up with no striking threads with inside the finale. Therefore, there may be genuinely no factor in dragging the plot handiest for the sake of it. So thinking about the lukewarm reception and the close-ended storyline, it seems that Was It Love Season 2 is maximum possibly cancelled. In the most likely situation, a new version is commissioned and we can expect Was It Love Season 2 to launch someday in 2022. A postpone is inevitable considering that a maximum of the manufacturing homes has halted filming thanks to the resurgence of the second wave of COVID-19 in Korea. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Was It Love cast, who is in it? Leading the solid as No Jong is Song Ji-hyo. Jong is a hit movie manufacturer and an unmarried mom to Hani, performed by way of means of Chae-young. The formidable girl has raised her daughter for the final 14 years, however her lifestyle takes a sudden flip while she is wooed by way of means of 4 men at the same time. Son Ho-joon essays the position of Oh Dae-oh, a well-known creator and a screenwriter of Hollywood movies. Dae-oh is one of every of Jong's sweetest. Song Joong-ho stars as Ryu Jin, a wildly famous actor who's smitten by way of means of Jong as well. Kim Min-jun portrays Gu Pada, a former gangster and the modern-day CEO of the company Nine Capital. Rounding up the listing of Jong's romantic hobbies is Koo Jo-sung as Oh Yoon-yu, a bodily schooling trainer at Hani's school. Kim Da-som stars as Joo Ah-rin, the main actress for Smooth Spot for Ryu Jin. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonetflix.com and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.